Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make ground beef with rice and nuts. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, let's see our ingredients. I'm having here 1 cup of rinsed rice. I'm gonna leave it in soak for around 30 minutes. 200 grams of ground beef. Some of bell pepper, different colors, and if you don't have colors you can use the green one. 1 chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic cut in half. We also have some nuts and some almonds, raw almonds, to decorate our dish. And finally we have 1 spoon of meat spices, 1 spoon of salt, and half spoon of cinnamon in powder. These are our ingredients, and now let's go and see how to prepare our dish. In a pot over a stove, put some vegetable oil, add the onion and mix it around for 2 minutes, then add the garlic. Leave it cooking for around 5 minutes. Then add the bell pepper or the green pepper. Mix it a little bit for around 5 minutes. Then add our meat. Mix it a little bit. Add our spices and the salt. Cover the pot, turn the heat down and leave it cooking for around 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the rice. Toast the rice for around 3 minutes. Then add the nuts. Mix it a little bit, then add the water. Remember that the highest of the water over the rice must be 2 centimeters. Cover the pot and wait until it starts boiling. When it starts boil, uncover it and leave it cooking until the rice absorbs the water. Cover the pot again and turn the heat down and leave it cooking for around 20 minutes. And this is our rice after it's ready. Put it on the plate, fried the almonds and add it over it. We usually eat that with plain natural yogurt or tomato salad. but you can eat it as it is. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment area. Thank you for watching and goodbye. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.